Hello again, it's in Stream Trades here on the daily updates and daily crypto review. And today we are looking at the Sandbox and the cryptocurrency named Sand. And as always, we start from the 1 week time frame. What do I see here? Well, first of all, if you are a subscriber, you probably remember that on this candle over here, I had a hope that this triangle, this is a symmetrical triangle, and it had a higher chance to break to the upside, but not like that. It went to the downside. Let's measure the potential target. Bam, it's exactly here. So this was a potential target of symmetrical triangle breaking to the downside. And also notice this area. We had a lot of volume being traded here. So no wonder why it bounced from this area. Also, here is a parallel channel that I've drawn for you. And like I usually do it, here's one touch point, another one, another one, another one. Retest here, went all the way down. Retest here, did not form a candle like a complete candle below it. So there we go. Also notice on RSI on the weekly time frame, this is the lowest that Sandbox ever did. The same way on the stream trades indicator, the lowest point it ever did. But another thing that I want to show, look at this stochastic RSI and check out how long the price is trading below this line. So actually how this stochastic RSI works on this high time frame, every time when the price goes below this line, this signals that it's a great chance to start accumulating. And we are here for all this time. So if you believe in a sandbox, then I think it's a good time to start accumulating. Well, I am already accumulating. So for me, this is a good chance to accumulate more and buy some more cheap sand. Why? Because I believe in this technology, because this cryptocurrency has a technology, has something to back it up. Unlike something else like Dogecoin, for example, is just a meme coin. Everybody knows that there's like nothing really important that the Dogecoin provides, but the Sandbox does. It has a lot. Well, let's go ahead and let's go on a 1 day time frame. There's a very interesting thing here. First of all, notice how good the price is trading in this range and also how it respects the middle line. For example, over here, it bounced from it. And I believe that the price will come to this middle line and then we need to watch how it's going to react. For me to continue adding more into the sandbox, I need to see at least several candles to form above this EMA ribbons, not touching it at all. And then another time when I'll be buying and adding more sandbox is whenever it will break out of this channel and form several candles, daily candles above this channel. Also, here's another important thing. I know, guys, that most of you who are watching me know it. I like to see the divergence, and here we have a divergence on a 1 day time frame, which is really important. The price goes low here, but the price on RSI making a higher lows. And the same thing on the in-stream trades indicator here, you can even see a bigger divergence, which is also a good signal. Oh, by the way, let's go on the 1 week time frame again. I want to show you something else, and it's easy to look at it here. Our favorite, well, actually my favorite tool is the Fibonacci retracement tool. We go from the swing low to the swing high as always, and no wonder why the price had some reaction here. Then no wonder why it stopped over here. And I'm really surprised that we did not touch the golden pocket area, because usually if the price goes somewhere, sorry, not this one, if the price goes close to it, it usually touches the golden pocket, but the price almost touched it. Well, maybe if we're gonna do it a little bit more correctly. Nah, still not there. I would really love to see the price go in here because I know that a lot of limit orders, buy limit orders will be placed here and are placed here. But maybe it still will do something like this and go here and then bounce. Well, anyway, it doesn't matter for me because this is a good time to start accumulating. Why am I saying that? I'm going to show you some mathematics that most of the people do not understand. For example, here was the higher high, and then we went all the way below minus 90%. And for me, it is great because that's a huge discount. And you know what? I'll be the one who will buy it here, who will buy it here, and who will buy it here to dollar cost average. So, for example, if I bought it here and here and here, then my average entry price will be, well, somewhere around here. Well, let's put it this way. So if the price went low 90%, to go up, check this out. Can you see that? That's 1,000%. If the price if you would buy it here and you expect the price to go to the higher high, but we know that at some point of a time it will probably go higher. There's a high probability for that. Then you will make 1,000% gain without any leverage, just like that. And for me, if my average price is here, then I will make 676% only if the price will come to this area. If it will go higher, I will make more. So would I risk that much to get that much? I guess the answer is obvious. I would. But most of the people, they don't understand this proportion. And I hope you found this information interesting and amazing. If you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And guys, have a safe and profitable trading. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.